Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lean Practices. In this video, you are going to learn what is Kaizen, what are all the benefits of Kaizen, how to get ideas for Kaizen implementation, and steps for Kaizen implementation. We start with our question, what is Kaizen? Kaizen is one of the most powerful and important lean tools. It's not just a method, it's a mindset, a Japanese philosophy that teaches us one simple, yet life-changing idea. Small improvements, made consistently, lead to great results. The word Kaizen comes from two Japanese words, kai, which means change, and zen, which means good. Together, they mean change for the better, or simply, continuous improvement. Now, Kaizen isn't about huge, overnight transformations. It's about small, steady steps. Small improvements make impacts largely, due to the power of consistency and compounding. Small improvements are easier to manage, less overwhelming, and far more sustainable. Now let's understand the benefits of Kaizen. Improves workplace safety. Ongoing improvements identifies potential safety risks and brings safe working environment. People's morale. Improvements ease the work and reduce the fatigue. Motivates people when their ideas recognized and implemented. Productivity. Kaizen reduces waste and streamlines the process. So, helps to achieve more with less effort. Quality. By reducing errors and controlled processes, Kaizen leads to higher quality. On-time delivery. When the productivity is improved and parts or services are done required quality, we can deliver them on time. Cost. Elimination of wastes and optimized processes reduces operational cost. And ultimately, customer satisfaction. Consistent improvements in quality, delivery, and service directly enhance customer satisfaction. Now we have reached third step of our video, that is, ways to get the ideas for Kaizen. These are some of the ways to get the ideas for improvements. Gemba walks. Value stream mapping. The 7 wastes of lean manufacturing. Waste hunting event. Create a platform for Kaizen. Let us understand each one in detail. 1. Gemba. Go and see. Walk to the place where the real work happens. Observe, listen, watch how things flow. When you truly see what's happening, the ideas for reducing waste will start to appear right in front of you. 2. Value stream mapping. Map the entire process, from raw material to finished goods. You will see every step clearly, and that's when hidden inefficiencies start to reveal themselves. 3. The 7 wastes of lean manufacturing. Think of these as the enemies of Kaizen, the things that steal value and time. First waste. Transportation. Unnecessary movement of people, tools, or materials. The next one is inventory. Materials such as raw material, semi-finished parts, finished parts that are kept unutilized and do not add any value and simply occupying space. Next, motion. Unnecessary movement of people at work. Example, bending, walking to bring tools and instruments, repetitive movements and improper lifting methods. Next one is waiting. Waiting refers to simply keeping materials, machines and people idle and not adding any value to part. This happens due to improper planning and inefficiencies. Next, overproduction. Producing more than the need of next process, or the customer. This waste leads to excessive inventory and occupies place. Next, overprocessing. Overprocessing is excessive of work than the customer demand. Example, producing the parts with higher precision, doing multiple tests than required, which simply does not add any value. Next one, defects. Produced part or given service does not meet customer requirements is defect. This includes rejection and rework. Next one is one of the best way of identifying the waste and implementing Kaizen is waste hunting process. Waste hunting event. Form cross-functional teams. This team members are your waste hunters. Create a checklist using the TIMWID framework. Schedule regular waste hunting sessions, track actions, and celebrate each improvement. 5. Create a platform for Kaizen. Train people. Empower them to share ideas. Recognize and reward every improvement, no matter how small. Because when everyone contributes, Kaizen becomes a culture, not just a project. Now, let us understand the steps for Kaizen implementation. And finally, the heart of continuous improvement, the PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check, act. Plan. Identify the problem or opportunity for improvement. Do, test your solution on a small scale. Check, measure, and evaluate the results. Act. If it works, standardize it. Deploy it horizontally, and start again. That's how improvement never stops. And that's what Kaizen is all about: small, positive changes that build up to big success. If this video helped you understand Kaizen better, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on lean and continuous improvement. Thank you.